Where are you gonna rob, honey?
I'm probably gonna rob Target.
Target? There's gonna be so many people already robbing Target. You gotta get more creative than that.
McDonald's for the food?
Oh, McDonald's sounds good. Well, we have to take the restaurant equipment as well, because there's something about that, the way they heat it up,
Oh yeah?
that makes it taste like McDonald's. April and I are gonna rob Hobby Lobby. Where else? Ah! Oh, wine rack.
What?
I'm gonna rob you.
Oh, get it together. Oh, boy.
Oh,
Hello.
buddy. Hello. I'll rob you, Hobby Lobby and wine rack. I'm gonna rob whatever that is. Here we go. Food Lion is the most business this Food Lion has ever seen. Oh, Lucky Star. Lucky Star. Yum. Here we go. This Food Lion never has customers.